request of the members, I had to continue another 12 months. I've been in this position for the last 12 months, so definitely I'll be continuing for another 12 months. Objective of this council is taking Fiji businesses to PNG in different forms. One is exports, as soon as it's possible to do so. If they have a clear manufacturing or business plan, I'm sure that they can go to PNG and take to the next level. So during last 12 months, we have assisted at least 3 to 4 firms to explore PNG market and to understand whether they can, is it possible for them to make investments. At least a few of our members have received orders and have increased their exports to PNG. But going to PNG and starting a manufacturing plant or doing business from PNG, so few more members are exploring, but they are yet to make the decision because it's a market with a lot of growth potential, and definitely there will be some positive outcome of this business council as well as our members getting more information.